I started the cleaning on the reverse of the painting, removing the paper and canvas backing that was glued to the back of the stretcher. And when I did that, I realized that the painting had definitely been moved from the ceiling because there were tacks that were used to attach this paper to the back, because at a certain point it had been removed and the paper had been opened, and there was actually a patch on the back of the original canvas. That was patched sometime during the 1960s, and I believe I know this because of a label that we found on the reverse of the paper that comes from a calendar that is from 1963. After the paper was carefully cleaned, it was swelled with gel and gum to remove the glue that was attaching it to the stretcher. I then cleaned the back of the original canvas, and then I started doing cleaning tests on the front of the painting to remove the smoke deposits and dust that had accumulated all over the painting, and also to thin the varnish layers, remove the varnish, which is the shellac, which is along the edges of the painting, and thin the varnish over the blue sky, which is a beautiful lapis lazuli blue.